My name is Susan Gadsby and I am the office manager with Team Nickerson. I am a Vancouverite, born and bred, and I've stayed here because I think Vancouver is beautiful. I travel, but always come back because I love Vancouver. They are just a great group of people to work with. They're honest, integrity-driven. They like to represent Vancouver properties and the industry of real estate. I enjoy working with Team Nickerson because they are an energetic, honest group of people. They are really fun to work with. And I feel that it is in their constant interest to look after their clients. And so when I'm working with them, that is my interest as well, to help our clients feel completely supported in the processes that they have to go through to sell or purchase a home. Well, they like to call me the air traffic controller. I am there to answer the phones and answer the client's questions when one of my teammates is not available at that time. If there is a detail that needs to be covered that I am able to, I can dash out and go and help a client. Perhaps when photographs are taken for listings, or to support my teammates, specifically the listing agents. I work with their clients in the process of getting a property listed online on the MLS. Perhaps I will attend a house in order and open up a home so that it can be shown to other agents and their clients. Most of the phone calls that I receive are inquiries. In fact, sometimes people will want to know what is the process with getting listed, or they want to sell their property. To whom should they speak? They know Team Nickerson name and they don't necessarily know who is on the team and how many of us are available to help them and support them. It's always a lovely surprise for them when we say, actually, it's a group of us. You're not just one person, and so they feel quite happily supported.